Hi, it's Jan Diatri. Great things are happening in the 1 Minute Kitchen. It's a big daddy burger with some special sauce. Here's what you'll need. Ground beef that has about an 80-20 ratio, 80% lean beef to 20% fat. Sprinkle a little salt, pepper, and garlic powder over the beef. I also cooked up some crispy bacon, then sautéed an onion in some of the bacon fat. Add that to the beef along with the chopped bacon. Mix it up and form 6-ounce patties. To keep the burger flat, make a shallow indentation. And to keep the burger moist, add an ice cube right in the center. As you grill the burgers, the ice will melt, seeping into the beef to keep it juicy. Cook the burgers for 3 or 4 minutes on each side. For cheeseburgers, add the cheese once you flip the burger over. Then make the special sauce. Combine mayonnaise, softened butter, some hot sauce, and brown sugar. Whisk it up until smooth and creamy. Then get all of your fixins ready, and the last step, make sure you toast that bun. Then build it as high as you like. Look at that juicy burger inside. This Big Daddy is delicious. We'll catch you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.